Hey guys, this is Trinidad.
And Elijah right here in Palm Over Homes of Abilene, Texas. And today we're going to show you guys 3 family-friendly homes that are perfect for you and your family's budget.
And all of them being under 150,000. First one we're gonna check out is the Trailblazer. Let's go check it out.
All right, y'all guys, come on, take a look at this Atmos. Okay, this is a 28 by 60, 1,660 square foot home. Okay, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, perfect and for your family, and also a very unique layout. Like right here, right as you walk in, you have a command center, perfect for taking out your keys, cell phone, wallet, everything that you would have to unpack after work. This is a perfect place of storage, or even TV remotes, blankets for the living room. You don't have to have them laying around on the couch or just some type of box. Okay, we're gonna walk into the big, beautiful kitchen, but I'm not gonna talk about that. Look at the flooring. You have laminated vinyl plank all throughout this home. Individually hand-laid tile that is not only very hard to break, mess up, scratch, right? But it's also individually hand-laid tile that is easy to replace if needed. Okay, it just shows the craftsman of this home, and or the craftsmanship of this home. Now, speaking of craftsmanship, one thing you will notice: fully tape and textured half-inch drywall all throughout this home. And this home is under 150,000. Also, look how thick. Come here, come look. Look how thick this wall is. 2x6s on the exterior walls and 2x6 floor joists for the floor joists. This is a Thermozone 3 compliant home, which means we can place this home anywhere on mainland United States legally. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. This huge 11 by 12 foot master bedroom with a huge walk-in closet. It's about 10 foot on each side, and plenty of racks for you and the wife, right? You guys don't have to be fighting over one closet. Now look, the our master bathroom. Look, it just speaks for itself. I don't even really have to talk for this one, right? Of course, you have the free standing tub, perfect for a day right after work, right? Shout out to my um, cousin Debbie, who's about to get at this home. I'm about to be at your house every other weekend using this tub. Next, you have the 60-inch shower, tile shower. So not only looks better, it's easy to clean, but you also have enough room to fit 2 or more people in here. Which, I mean, what you do in your own shower is not only my business, what you buy home. You also have the LED backlit mirrors, 2 of them, and 2 sinks, so you and the wife can get ready without being in each other's way. And then, look, my favorite part, this man's office right here. Look at this. Need some peace and quiet right after work, or you just want to do your business without somebody telling you how bad it stinks. This is the perfect home for it. Okay, now let's go take a look at our next home.
Hey guys, this is the Trailblazer. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. You got plenty of room in here. It is 1,500 square feet, and it's a 28 by 56. Okay, this is the kitchen. You have over 22 cabinets. Okay, plenty of stuff for pots and pans. You have plenty of stuff for all your mixers and everything in here as well. Over here is the pantry. You have 3 wire racks. You got plenty of space for Walmart store runs or Sam's Club, whatever you got, you can stuff it in here. Vents are in the ceiling, so they're not down on the floor. Better circulation. Let's go check out the master bedroom real quick. This is where your bed would go. And then can you imagine having the TV up here and just having the game or watching your favorite movie up here? Yeah, that would be amazing, right? And then favorite part about this home is the bathroom. You have his and her sinks, so y'all can both do brushing y'all's teeth, get ready for work. At the same time, you have this relaxing tub. Man, imagine a long day at work. This is where you come and relax, right? This is where your closet is. It is a 10-foot closet. You got plenty of space, 2 racks, so you can store all your personal belongings and all your clothing in there. And then you got your shower. You got a couple of seats so you can sit down. And this is where you rinse off when you're ready for work, right? And yeah, so if you guys want to come check out the Trailblazer, this one is under 150. Oh my God. Check out this Homeland. Man, this is a beautiful home. I don't know if you noticed, but it has 2 brows and 12-inch eaves. And check out this recessed entryway. Man, this is a beautiful home. Let's check it on the inside.
All right, now we are in the Homeland. This 1,640 square foot home, that's a 30 by 54, is the perfect 4-bed, 2-bath for you and your family. Not only is it a Fort Worth factory that comes with a 12-year structural warranty, but just look how beautiful this home looks. You don't have to like blacks, whites. You don't have to like those colors. We have plenty of other blues, grays, and plenty of other wall colors for you to choose from this factory, even flooring. Here in the living room, you have just for the regular outlets, 6 regular outlets right here in the living room, but you also have the TV ready panel behind here, ready for you to mount a TV. So you don't have to look for a stud. All you got to do is put your mount on the wall, start drilling, and you'll be good. We're going to take a look at this pantry that is 10.5 foot wide, okay? With 3 shelves with wood, real wood and metal supports. So if you're needing to put that big back of Chef Boy RD cans up here, it'll be able to sit up here for a long time without any breaks, bruises, or bends, okay? You also do have this Whirlpool 2-door fridge, stainless steel, that comes included with this home, all right? And did I mention it's a 4-bed, 2-bath? Let's take a look down here. Just look how spacious these rooms are. Okay, and it even comes with its own walk-in closet with real wooden shelves, okay, and real wooden racks with metal supports. So you can put that big Carhartt jacket or all those big clothes in there without you having to worry about it bending over the summer. Let's go take a look at the master bed now. In the master bedroom, you got a great 10 by 12 master bedroom, okay, with a walk-in closet over here to the right as you walk in. And look how big these shelves are. I'm not the tallest dude, but I'm 5'10". I mean, look where these are, right? Perfect for you to put long dresses, big suits, or even adding additional shelving, or even putting your own dresser right here in your closet. Plenty of space for you to store everything you would need in your closet instead of having it out here. And then look at this bathroom. All right, you get this nice big 72-inch shower, bigger than 60-inch. And I'm like, if you could fit 3 or 4 in the last one, probably definitely fit 5 or 6 people in this shower. But like I said, I don't care what you do in your home, right? But that is the 3 best homes that are not only family friendly, but budget friendly, right? If you guys would like to see these homes, y'all guys can come to 3301 Hickory Street right here in Abilene, Texas, or give us a call at 325-676-9700. If you guys like content like this or just want to stay in touch with us, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.